following video provides the complete unpacking to help you quickly become familiar with your printer. When you receive your Raise3D Pro 3 printer, you'll need to carefully remove its protective packaging. First, cut off the packing straps. Next, slice the packing tape along the top of the box. Now, remove all the cardboard spacers. Be sure to keep the quick start guide for reference, as well as the provided hex wrench set nearby during setup. There are 5 international power cords included. Select the proper cable for your service. Remove the rest of the packing materials. Then set aside the clear acrylic lid. It's recommended that you have a second person help you remove the cardboard box. You will then both lift the printer out of the foam padding. Carefully place your printer in a clear area. Locate the 4 shipping zip ties, release and remove them. Peel off the 4 yellow stickers. Then you'll need to remove the plastic security spacers. Twist to remove each one. Manually slide the extruder to the back center. Select the largest hex wrench and remove the Z-axis clamps on both sides. Attach the power cord to the printer and turn it on. The printer will enter the boot process. This should take about 60 seconds until the touchscreen displays the startup wizard. Set the language of the printer. Take out the accessory box after the build plate rises up. Accessory box contains filament holders and other accessories. Startup wizard will help you finish the printer's name, the language, network connection and other basic settings. Now, we will enter the 5-step offset calibration. Here we take the left Z probe offset as an example to help you be familiar with the operation. The left Z probe offset is to calibrate the height of the left nozzle. Put a 0.3 mm feeler gauge between the heat bed and the left nozzle to test the height. Adjust the nozzle height on the screen until you can feel resistance between the feeler gauge and the nozzle. Next, we will load the Raise3D premium filament into the extruder. Install 2 filament spool holders on the slots. The holders should be interlaced. Then put 2 filament spools on the holders separately. Insert 2 filaments into the quick connector. Feed the filaments through the guide tubes. Then insert the filaments into 2 extruders. Finally, insert the guide tube back in place. Close the door, and follow the instruction to run the first step of the offset calibration. The printer will automatically print several lines. After the test model is printed, compare the model with the example on the screen. The printer will prompt you to choose the first curved line you see. Now you have finished the first step of calibration. The printer will tell you the current suitable nozzle height. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the remaining steps of the 5-step offset calibration. Congratulations! You have finished the guide. Your Raise3D Pro 3 printer will automatically go through all the steps needed to create a high-resolution, worry-free 3D print.